Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make PDF file in mobile. Friends, as PDF file format is the most commonly used file format and we can very easily add multiple pages in one PDF file. So to make PDF file, you simply need to download Microsoft Lens app from Google Play Store. Here search for Lens. As you can see, there is more than 1 crore download of this app. So after installing this app, you simply need to press on open. Now you simply need to capture the image. You can select multiple pages. After clicking required number of pages, you simply need to press on this red button. Now press on confirm. Now press on done. Now press on this pencil icon to give name to this file, doc, and here select PDF and press on save. And we can simply share this document by pressing these three dots and here press on share, and you can very easily share it on WhatsApp or you can email it. Now friends, as you can see, we have scanned and created a PDF document in our mobile and we have shared it in WhatsApp. So friends, like this you can very easily create a PDF file in your mobile. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.